The storm is here and the energies are super intense. Many people are feeling a wide variety of symptoms right now, and there's a lot of things going on right now. There's a lot of data that I gotta break down. We have a Schumann Resonance update. We got a lot to get into in this video. I got a quick update for you guys, so let's get right into that. Hope you guys are all doing good. Joe Sky back at again with another update for you. Well, we got a pretty big storm. It's here. A G3 strong geomagnetic storm. Our KP index runs to a 0 to 9 scale. We're at a 7 right now. Solar winds are moderately high, 506 kilometers per second. Density, I've seen that density at 80 per cubic centimeters, which is wild. Our solar wind is incredibly intense right now. And during a time like this, when the magnetic field right now is in a point where there's some cracks in the magnetic field, well, things are definitely impacting us more than ever. And that is why people are having a wild amount of symptoms that we're going to be covering. Our interplanetary magnetic field, that was at minus 25 nanoteslas, which is pretty intense. We also have a northern hemisphere coronal hole. We're at minus 97 teslas right now on our storm index. So definitely a lot of things happening right now. Let's take a look at the current coronal hole right now. 195 angstroms. So it's a really good picture of the two coronal holes we have. One of them, which is this one in the middle, is a northern transequatorial coronal hole. The one on the bottom, that one is on the bottom. It's not a transequatorial, but I'm assuming we're probably still getting some solar winds from that. This is a huge coronal hole. During a time like this, where we have a massive CME and all this solar wind just slamming us, this coronal hole is just adding more fuel to it. It's pretty wild that everything literally happened so quickly. You know, there's been some big earthquakes. I talked about that in a recent video. Here is our magnetosphere right now getting blasted right now. As you can see, it's pretty intense. I'm sure it was even more intense earlier, but we're definitely, when we start seeing those colors, that darker blue, you know, things are pretty strong here. These are definitely intense. Um, you know, we're talking a lot of symptoms. People have been talking about itchiness and back pain, body pains, and things from that nature. Um, People are definitely feeling a lot of energy right now. Definitely a lot happening. I think it was much earlier, much busy earlier. Looking at the Schumann Resonance, of course, we had quite a bit of energy on the 20th. However, um, you know, heading towards the 21st, right? We're in the 21st. Not too much energy right now. We're going to give us a quick refresh right now. Yeah, not too much energy right now on the Schumann Resonance, but we did have a good push of energy. Let's take a good look at what the numbers are. Looks like it was only about a power 16 here. So not too much energy. Besides that, of course, again, no solar flares, there's no solar proton flux, no solar radiation storms or anything like that. We don't have anything like that happening. But our KP is at a 7, which is pretty strong right now. All the other numbers aren't too crazy. Everything's looking pretty fair. Here's our numbers. But yeah, the quality, oh yeah, that's definitely been pushing for sure though. I know a lot of people have probably noticed that. Quality has definitely been pushing. So yes, overall there hasn't been any solar flares or anything else. Looks like things have gone more, oh yeah, yep, things have gone more south. Now it's minus 10 nanotesla, so it's actually pretty high right now. So it looks like things are definitely pretty wild right now and pretty strong. Oh, it looks like it's shot down to a 5. So this could be minutes, but overall I think we're still in the threshold of a G3. Quite some people could probably see Aurora, not too many people. I think this image. Yeah. We don't have a radio blackout or anything. But yeah, oh, we went to a G1. Interesting. So yeah, overall, a lot of things happening right now. So symptoms, oh my goodness, man, it's been pretty wild. I think a lot of people might be feeling in the stomach. People are feeling in the back. People are feeling itchy, um, trouble sleeping. For me, I feel like I've been drained and also shot up with energy at the same time. Really weird feeling. Let me know what you guys are experiencing. Besides that, of course, grounding is huge here. Yesterday I grounded with my hands. It does help. Today I grounded with bare feet because it was finally a decent temperature, right? Like not too cold, you know. Um, Unbelievable. It was amazing. So it's been, yeah. I really feel like these cold environments. I mean, yeah. I don't know, but yes. My goodness, it's been pretty rough, and I'm sure a lot of people are struggling with sleep. People are definitely struggling. I feel like whenever you have something showing up during the storm, consider it like many things, right? Consider it like a challenge. Consider it like it's healing. It's all this light that's coming in right now. When all this light is coming in, it's like really hitting those areas, healing, um, alerting you of areas that need work. Maybe you never know, like the back, the hips. Um, so yeah, it doesn't. It's not just physical stuff, right? Sometimes it's physical, like you got to do something. Sometimes it means something. If it's hitting the back, could mean something. Maybe you're not supporting yourself as much, right? If it's the knees, could mean liver, could mean many things. So definitely do some research on everything you're going through, and definitely take care of yourselves. I really think grounding and hydrating and really listening to the body and some nice movement is probably going to be great. Focus on yourself as much as you can. Sit in those meditations because honestly, I've been kind of just wanted to just sit in meditations for long periods now when that was just something I didn't want to do before. So trust me, I think we're changing and I think we're really changing right now. We are evolving and we are definitely on a new timeline. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I got some streams. We're going to be streaming, by the way, too.